is Lot Mix Vlog. Meron tayo ngayon dito guys sa saging. I love saging. I love banana. Ayan, pagmukbang tayo ng banana. Look at this. Yummy, yummy banana. And shout out sa inyong lahat. Sinong gusto ng saging, kain saging. Alam nyo ba guys, ang saging ay rich in potassium. So cheers! Sarap yung saging guys. Kain lang tayo. Kain ng bananas and pajamas. Kaya ako magawa ngayon kaya mag-video na lang ako habang kumakain na ako bananas and pajamas. Diba? Sarap mong sabong. Ito na tayo. More pack. Shout out mami to you, the best one. Hi Ems. Shout out sa aming basher, boy. Shiny. Si Boy Baste. Si Shiny. Number 1 basher namin ni Emma. Boy, kain tayo saging. Kidding ko. How are you? Saan naman ngayon? Dito lang mi. The Pinay, Mr. Red. Ano yung paboritong banana? Mr. Red. Want bananas? I have lots of bananas here. Ayan, continue tayo guys. Orbis family, Kuya Rick, Ate Eva, shout out. Mami Jane, shout out. And Emma Labtik, shout out. B-Boy TV, shout out. Ate Hubad, shout out. Sa ating mga foreign friends, the Girls Are Us, shout out. And for other weekends, Sir Brandy. My friend Daniel, I'm so thank you. Shout out. Ay, lagi nakabisita sa ating live stream. Tatlo na tayo guys. More bananas? More bananas.